Hey everyone. So I have a Durabrand home theater system from 2004. Found this factory sealed on eBay, got a really good deal on it too. It's a 100-watt system. You got your 5 speakers here and then the powered subwoofer. This one even had the remote. Like I said, it was factory sealed, so pretty sweet. I just have these speakers kind of just set up for demonstration purposes, but there's your speakers. And then here is the sub, huge port on it, bunch of controls here, different sources you can choose, and then you can choose between the two satellite speaker hookup, your front mains, or you can choose a 5.1, which is what we have it. The remote, you can control everything, your levels of each speaker, which is sweet, besides your front, your mains, but you can even control your subwoofer amount, all that good stuff. So yeah, pretty sweet. Used to own the system when I was a kid. Found it on eBay, factory sealed. I was like, oh yeah, I got to get that. So yeah, I'll let you guys hear it.